Hi, I'm Indiana from the Fairfield Woods Branch Library, and today I'm going to show you our week 2 take and make, which is a DIY bullet journal, which looks like this. This is the one that Angie customized, and then this is the kit that you will pick up at the library. In the kit, you will find a blank journal, which looks like this, and it's just lined on the inside. And then you will have 2 gel pens, some washi tape, some random stickers, magazine clippings, and then Mod Podge to use with the magazine clippings. So Angie customized hers with this purple theme. Her cover, she used some washi tape and some scrapbook paper. On the inside, she used some stencils that we have, and you'll be able to use these stencils if you come into the library. You can use them here and work on your journal with us. So she has a year in review where she will put all the temperatures for every day of the year. Over here she has some goals and ideas, and then just an overview of the next few months. She has a January calendar, and then a meal planning page to do, and a water tracker. And then she has a full spread of the week, of a month, I guess. So she did all this with the stencil. I'm going to show you a few things that you can do without a stencil, but you're more than welcome to come into the library and use ours. So I'm also going to tell you that with the magazine clippings, you can do some really cool collages on the cover, and I will give you some example images on the screen of what that could look like. I'm going to show you how to do a collage on the cover of your journal with some of the magazine scraps that come with your kit. So you're just going to take the Mod Podge that came in this little cup, and you're going to paint some onto the cover, just like so. And then you're going to take your little scrap, and you can just place it there, and then you're going to go over it one more time with Mod Podge. You can really make some unique designs with this. You can just throw things on the page if that's what you like. Or you can make recreations of art pieces, you can do flowers, you can do all sorts of things if you plan it out really well. You just want to make sure that everything is super covered and stuck down. And then we're going to let it dry and work on the inside. So I finished up my cover here. I did random ripped paper collage, and then I put some of the stickers that came in my kit on the cover there. It's mostly dry, so I'm going to work on the inside now. I'm going to show you that you don't necessarily need the stencils because we have a ruler, and I'm sure you have a ruler at home, and if not, you could just use the edge of something. So I'm just going to do a quick little box with one of the gel pens that came with my kit. I think I could probably freehand the rest. Nice and easy. And I think I'm going to make this a summer bucket list. So let's write out summer. My bubble letters are not very good. Summer. And then let's switch to the green pen that came in my kit, and we'll do a little cursive here. Bucket list. And then we can throw in some little check boxes. What do we want to do this summer? Let's say read 10 books. So there's my little bucket list. I'm going to decorate it with some of the washi tape and a sticker that came in my kit. But like I said, this is totally customizable to you. You can have the pages say whatever you want. They can be about anything. You can use it to track certain things like water intake or what books you're reading. Feel free to use whatever supplies you have at home that we didn't provide in this kit. Like I said, it's super customizable. You can make whatever you want. You can see that mine and Angie's look totally different. If you didn't have a chance to pick up one of the kits, you can use any journal you have and whatever supplies you have at home. So if you are doing the summer reading challenge, the code word for this week is stickers. I'll put it on the screen here. Stickers is the code word. Okay, thanks.